Hello everyone, this is Bob. It has been a while. I post the solutions of the problems on LeetCode. Today I'm going to talk about a solution about a new problem on LeetCode. So this problem is called largest number. And the description of this problem is the following. Giving a list of non-negative integers, arrange them such that they can form the largest number. So there are two examples given. One is 10, 2. So the possible largest number you can construct from these two numbers is 210. And there is another example which consists of 3, 13, 34, 5, 9, and the largest number you can construct from these individual integers is this number. Okay, so giving a list of integer numbers, non-negative integer numbers, and the output is the possible largest number you can construct from these integers, non-negative integers from this list. So let's jump into the solutions. Okay, so as we can see here, the input is the vector of integer numbers, and the output is a string. Because you cannot return as an integer number, since it is possible that the largest number is greater than the largest integer numbers. So you have to return a string to uh, to present the answer. Okay, so the uh, first we sort. Let's look at the code. The first line is sort the numbers by by comparison function, and the essential part of this solution is this comparison function. So this is the hardcore of this solution. So what does this compare function looks like? So the input is two integer numbers in the integer vector. So we first convert these integer numbers into string, and we compare if the concatenation of string 1 and string 2 is greater than the combination of string 2 or concatenate string 1. So this is the basic idea. Let's look for an example. So for example here, if you compare 3 and 35, so string number 1 and concatenate string number 2 is 334, which is 334, right? And the string number 2 concatenate string number 1 is 343, so it's 343. So you can see if the first number concatenated the second number is greater than the concatenation of the second number and the first number, then we should put the first number at the beginning of this largest integers we can construct. So this is the idea. So if we have two numbers like 3 and 34, because 334 is smaller than 343, so we should put a 34 to the we should put this 34 at the front of this largest number. So here, so you can see 34 is actually before this number 3, right? And for another example, if you compare 3 and 30, because 330 is greater than 303, so the number 3 should put should be in front of the number 30. So follow these ideas. You sort those integers by this by this new comparison functions you define. Then you can just concatenate those integers together. And there is another special case you need to consider is because this input integers is non-negative integers, and it is possible that all the integers is 0. So in this case, you should return just a 0 rather than a string which consists of several 0. So you can just return a string that only contain one character, 0. So this is the solution for these problems. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will give you feedback. Thank you.